We can just hold and
Welcome to Brighton Beach.
So you started, huh?
Yes. I don't see any water activity here, this side. I think might be nearby Pyre. Other side.
Something actually.
Let's wind it off here. Welcome to Brighton. There you see the Brighton Pier. Bye bye.